Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, the settings, whatever. I mean, of course, the visual keyboard. I mean the virtual keyboard, not the one which is attached. So here all we have to do is to simply tap on this settings icon, so the gear icon. Let's tap on it and then tap on languages if for some reason you're not here. Then let's tap on add language and here, or add keyboard actually, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards. So you can scroll and search for it or simply tap on this area and enter the name of the specific language, and then let's tap on it, and here you can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option and then tap on done. And as you can see, I've just successfully added the language to a keyboard. However, before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let me go back, let me open the keyboard, and here we've got the hint. Basically, now we've got a globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout just by tapping on it. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, something like that. Alright, so to remove the language we have to open the settings, tap on, not add keyboard, but tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.